excited about it. I think Rajni sir is the original superstar. I think he always will be the biggest superstar, and I don't think there's anybody bigger than him. So I am a huge fan, and I support him completely. I think he's awesome.
सर और अमित जी दोनों ही मेरे रोल मॉडल्स हैं एंड इट्स वंडरफुल टू बी हियर फॉर द म्यूज़िक लॉन्च। रजनी साहब जब आते हैं तो तूफान और सुनामी की तरह आते हैं और उनकी फिल्मों का न सिर्फ हमारे देश में बल्कि विश्व के बाकी देशों में भी बहुत लोगों को इंतजार रहता है और मैं उनको शुभकामनाएं देने आया हूँ और मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि उनकी लंबी आयु हो ताकि वो आने वाले ना जाने कितने साल से हम सबका मनोरंजन करते जी कौन बोल रहा है? यहाँ आए हैं, हमको बहुत एक्साइटमेंट है, आपको ज़्यादा एक्साइटमेंट है एंड वी आर वेरी हैप्पी। रजनी इज़ अ फैमिली फ्रेंड एंड आई ऑलवेज विश हिम द बेस्ट। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी दैट हिज डॉटर इज डायरेक्टिंग दिस एंड शी इज वेरी प्राउड ऑफ दैट।
I'm just blessings. I'm so happy actually. I don't know how to thank Amit ji. Accepting our invitation and this.
He's always been like this, humble and very down to earth. That's the best quality. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
ये न्यूज़ 24 भी है, सारा भी है,
Times me.
और देख लास्ट में जयमान है।
I'm just blessed hearing all the words that everybody had to say on stage today, and they're all such veterans that I've grown up looking at their films and knowing them personally. So I think every word each person said on stage means so much to me, and what Amitabh uncle said brought tears to my eyes, and he saw it from stage. I was sitting right there, and I think it's just an honor to be in this audience today, and I think it's an honor for me to have them watch my film and appreciate it the way they have. So extremely feeling blessed. I think I'm blessed. I think I'm blessed to be born to my parents. I think I'm blessed to have the opportunity to direct Mr. Rajnikant in my first film. And again, like Shekhar uncle said today, animation's been my dream for so many years. And 6 years ago, I did meet him. And when I did tell him this, he said, go ahead, dream on. And I think God's been kind. And today you have a film on screen. So yeah. It was the absolute truth. Growing up, I never read a novel. I needed pictures. If it was only script, even these days, when I do scripts, even Kocharian's script will have storyboards in it because I need images to get my mind going. So I think from childhood it's a passion, and I think films like this take that extra passion to go on with it because of pressures. Why is the delay so much? Why is the process? Is this real? Why is the eye wrong in this shot? Why is the shoulder? There's so many questions that we have to face, and as creators, we know the process we have to undergo to make a film like this. So I think it's just the passion in me that's from childhood that's made me sit here in front of you today. I don't think of anybody else but my dad to do Kocharian. He looks like Lord Shiva to me. That's why I said it was a dream to see him do the Tandav, and it cannot be done in live action for various reasons. So nobody else can be Kocharian. Any father and daughter, any how do I say this? There's a lot of emotions in this, right? Because he's seen me go through my struggles. He's seen me go through the pain making this film. And like he said, when he saw his colleagues, when he saw people he has worked with understand the process, I think that made my father happy. And I'm so proud and it's emotional for us. I think during the making, there were so many times in shooting where I could not call cut because I became a fan. And then there were so many times after pack-up time, I wanted to make sure my father went back safe because I became the daughter. And there were so many times I had to be the director to say, Appa, one more take, please, just one more. But then the daughter and the fan and me, there were 3 different people in me when I was directing him, the fan, the daughter and the director. So I think it's emotional. When any parent works with a child, be it son or daughter, I think there's definitely emotions involved. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot for coming. Thank you. Thanks.